Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this delicious egg roll with sprouts and cheese. It's very good and delicious. It's my favorite recipe. I know you're hungry right now. This video is for you. To make this delicious egg roll with sprouts, the ingredients you'll be needing is 1/2 cup boiled sprouts, 1 chopped green chili. You can use red chili powder as well, and some garlic. These both are optional. And 3 eggs, 1 chopped onion, and 1/2 chopped capsicum, and 1 grated carrot. Some coriander leaves, 1/2 chopped tomatoes. You need some turmeric powder and some pepper powder for extra flavor. You need cooking oil and cheese. Cheese is optional. You can use shredded cheese or cheese slices. Those are ingredients for this egg roll with sprouts. The first step is to heat the pan and put 2 tablespoons of oil in it. And then you add the garlic and the chilies. And you mix it. After you've sauteed this mixture for a few minutes, you're going to add your onions and you mix carrots and your capsicums and saute well. Don't saute until it's very soft. Then you won't have that nice crunchy feeling in your egg roll. Now we're going to add our tomatoes. And then you add the required amount of salt and mix. At this point, we are going to add the sprouts to our mixture. And then you add turmeric. And you add the pepper powder. And the coriander leaves. And mix well. Once you get a mixture like this, turn off the flame and set it aside until it cools down. Now in a separate bowl, take your eggs and break them. And then you mix. We have mixed the eggs until thick and fluffy. When you get here, we're going to add our sprout mixture into our eggs and mix. Now heat a pan and put some oil or butter. And then you just add our egg roll mixture into it, and you wait until it cooks. We flipped our egg the other way and put the stove on low flame. Now we have rolled up our egg into an egg roll. Now it's ready to serve. And now we're going to make another one the same way. Now both sides are cooked. We are going to be adding the cheese now. And then after that, you roll it up. Now our egg rolls is ready. You can eat it for breakfast or lunch. And there you have it. Your delicious egg roll with sprouts is ready. You can serve it with ketchup or you can just eat it without anything. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like it, please like and share with other people so they can enjoy the same taste that you've had. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I make a video. Thank you guys. Stay safe. Peace.